Hey guys, welcome to this video. This one is actually an update from the last time when I put a video up, which was how to adjust the power steering belt on this one. I had a question from one of my followers, so this video goes out to him, which is Ben Jarvie. I hope I'm saying that correctly, buddy. Yeah, so I just thought I'd have a rundown of the other belts which are actually on this truck. Right, as you look at the engine on this one, the last video I did was to adjust this belt here, which is a power steering belt. And you can see the tensioner is there, adjusted by the threaded bolt there, and you have to crack off the nut there. I think they're all 12 and 14 mils, because you don't usually find 13s on a Jap car. But if you actually look down, I've not actually realised until today, there are actually 3 belts on this thing. You've got the power steering belt there, you've got down this side then, you've got the alternator belt, which that big pulley at the very bottom there, that is actually run on a very similar, so that is the tensioner, and it runs exactly the same as the one on the power steering belt, which has got the nut you crack off on the front there, it looks like, and then you've just got another 12 or 14 mil bolt underneath then to wind it down to adjust that. Yeah, so if we go to the right hand side, as you're looking at it, underneath the fan cowling there, you can't really see it very well, there's another tensioner there which is for the belt for the aircon pump, which is down here behind the well, down near the exhaust manifold there, and sort of underneath that coolant pipe, that top hose. But if you you can't really see it on camera, but that's actually like a toothed belt instead. But again, that tensioner that you can see there is exactly the same as the one for the power steering on the other side. Again, you crack off the nut for the pulley, and then I believe if you have a look here, you'll see the adjuster on top of it there. It looks like this one's been adjusted quite a way. So, but yeah, I'll probably do more in-depth videos when I actually get a chance. So there we are. I hope that video helped a little bit to clear it up. Like I said, there's 3 separate belts on this truck, and all 3 are held with tensioners which are pretty identical to the other one that I did in the other video, but it's just harder to see them really. I say the alternator one is better to do from underneath, it looks like, if you take the belly pan off. But yeah, if this video did help at all in any way, shape or form, then do me a favor and click the like, the subscribe, and also hit that notification bell just so you know when our new videos are coming out. If there's anything else you have question wise or anything like that, or you'd like any more updates on any other videos that we've got out there, by all means fire them in the comments below. I always try and get back to the people that do give comments on the videos that we put out there. Thanks a lot guys, and thank you for your support. See you again. Cheers.